Scenedesmus dimorphus is a freshwater unicellular green algae in the class Chlorophyceae. The name means having two forms. Synonyms: Basionym, Achnanthes dimorphoterpin. Homotypic synonyms: Scenedesmus obliquus var. Dimorphus, terpin, Hansberg. Scenedesmus acutus var. Dimorphus, terpin, Rabenhorst. Achnanthes dimorphoterpin, 1828. Heterotypic synonyms: Scenedesmus antennatus proboscis in Ralphs. Scenedesmus costulatus chaudet. Scenedesmus acutus var. Obliquus Rabenhorst. See also: Algae culture. References: External links. Picture of Scenedesmus dimorphus.